Yes team, what's going on? Welcome back to my channel and to today's video, which as you can see by the title, in today's video we're going to be going through my favourite pickups that I picked up throughout August, and also technically, although the title doesn't say it, technically also July, because yeah, we kind of missed that month. As you guys know, I usually like to do this kind of video on like a monthly basis, but I don't know, for whatever reason, I haven't really picked as many items up as I normally would. But that being said, we've combined the past 2 months into one. So sit back, grab a coffee and enjoy the pickups. Actually, before we get into it, make sure you smash that thumbs up button. And if you are new to the channel from this video, be sure to hit subscribe as well for more men's fashion content every single week. And if you want me to repost you guys on my Instagram story, screenshot, if you're watching this on your phone, screenshot it, upload it to your story, tag me in it, and all the tags I get, I'll then kind of repost onto my story. All right then, now that's all out the way, let's take a look at my favorite pickups, starting with item number 1. All right guys, so I've decided to kind of start from the bottom and I guess work our way up. So favorite pickup number 1 is these track pants slash sweatpants slash joggers, whatever you want to call them, these absolute bangers from Illicit Block. So I've already filmed an entire video unboxing and styling the piece that I received from Illicit Block. So if you haven't seen it and you want to go and check it out, I'll link that video in the description down below. But honestly guys, I mean it when I say it, I literally live in these sweatpants. Like, yeah, I live in them. Firstly, what I love about these sweatpants is the cotton rib fabric. It really does give me that kind of pleated Issey Miyake vibe. It's such a nice touch, and it's honestly something that really helps this brand or this product kind of stand out from the rest. You know, this isn't just your kind of like standard typical jogger. So like I said guys, this is a cotton rib fabric, and honestly it's such a beautiful tone. It's kind of like an off-white with a hint of green. And then in terms of actual sizing guys, I got these in a size medium, and then for reference I'm 5'11" and they fit me perfect. Nice on the waist and actually slightly cropped in the leg, which is kind of exactly how the cut of the garment is kind of intended. All right guys, so next up on the list, and sticking with the brand Illicit Block, and that is the matching jacket to the sweatpants. Now, like I've already said, I have already made an entire video unboxing and styling these pieces. So like I said, if you want to check it out, it'll be linked in the description down below. But this guys is the matching jacket. Now what I love most about this is the fit. It's super boxy, super oversized. It has that drop shoulder, but the best part of all is it is super cropped in the length. And if you guys know me and you know my style, this is right up my street. And then in terms of actual sizing with this, I went with a size large, and that fits me exactly how I want it to. Nice and oversized, but at the same time slightly cropped, as we've already said, in the body. You can also tell that Illicit Block have kind of gone that extra mile in terms of quality, even down to their zip, which is a YKK zipper, one of the best, if not the best zippers on the market. But yeah, favorite number 2 is the jacket from Illicit Block. All right then guys, next on the list, favorite pickup number 3 is this heavy knit gray Arket sweater, another absolute banger. I really do actually love this piece. You know, the kind of like warm summery days are coming to an end. You know, autumn is kind of closing in, and in my opinion, this is the perfect sweater for that kind of season. So like I said guys, I picked this up from Arket and I went with a size large. Now I do normally go with a size extra large just to kind of enhance, I guess, that oversized fit. But with this particular sweater, I kind of wanted to be able to, or wanted to ensure I could layer over the top. So for that reason, I went with a size large and it fits me exactly how I want it to. I'm definitely looking forward to teaming this sweater up with my wide leg crop trousers that I've got from Asos. I think teaming this up with them and maybe also my Doc Marten 1461s on foot. I think that outfit will be an absolute vibe, a super clean and kind of cozy fit ready for autumn. All right guys, so moving on to pickup number 4, and definitely moving away from the kind of like autumnal vibe, and that is these black wide leg shorts. I absolutely love these. As you guys know, I've been on the hunt for some kind of like smart style shorts for quite some time now. So as soon as I seen these bad boys available on Asos for £20, I had to cop. Now what I really love about these shorts, obviously I love the fit, but what I really love is, I'm not sure if the camera's gonna pick it up, but they have this kind of like really subtle pleat down the front of the shorts. Let me pull them out, see if that shows it off any better. So they have this kind of like really subtle pleat down the front, and it kind of gives off that slightly more smarter vibe. Now what I will say about these is I had to size up to a size 34 waist. Normally I'm a 32, but for whatever reason with these, I had to size up to a size 34. But that being said, that then ensured or enhanced the wide leg fit of these. So for me, sizing up to a 34, it was a win-win. Now I'm definitely looking forward to styling these multiple different ways, but white tank top, a light beige oversized blazer, absolute vibe. Next on the list guys, and sticking with shorts and also sticking with Asos, is these light blue denim wide leg shorts that, like I said, are from Asos, or more specifically Collusion. Similar to the black shorts, when you come across an item that fits this good at the price point of £20, it's a must cop. Now again, with these guys, I went up to a size 34 waist, and it's another pair of shorts that I'm super excited to style. I know summer is pretty much coming to an end, and I guess it's not the best time to kind of be buying shorts, especially if you live in the UK. You guys know, for those of you that do, the weather here is shit. So it's not the best time to be buying shorts, but I am potentially, fingers crossed, going on holiday next month. It's my birthday, so yeah, if it doesn't get cancelled, I'm going away for like 5 days next month. So if it doesn't get cancelled and I go, you guys can definitely expect some more summer fits. But yeah, favorite pickup number 5 is these light blue wide leg denim shorts from Asos, or like I said, more specifically from Collusion. All right then guys, next on the list and favorite pickup number, I want to say 6, is it 6? I think it's 6. Favorite pickup number 6 is from my all-time favorite store, which is COS, and that is this beautiful, beautiful overshirt. Like I said, this is from COS, and it's in this kind of like, it's kind of like a light gray slash light beige colorway. Either way, it's an absolute banger. Now I've been on the lookout for this kind of overshirt for quite some time now. I know Weekday have some really, really nice ones, but the color that I actually wanted was sold out. And I'm really happy that I kind of didn't rush and just kind of buy the first one that I seen, and bided my time and finally came across this one, which is perfect, exactly what I've been looking for. Now what I really love about this shirt is how it's actually cut on the bottom. Now a lot of the ones that I was actually looking at were kind of cut with a slight arch on the bottom of the shirt. You guys will know what I mean. But this is completely straight right across the bottom of the shirt, and I don't know why, well, I prefer that, but I kind of feel that that kind of cut suits my style and aesthetic more. Now for reference, as always, I'm 5'11", and with this I actually had to size down to a size medium, so I feel that they do run slightly big, and as you can see by like the B-roll footage, it still has that like slightly boxy fit, and that's me wearing a size medium. I've actually already uploaded a outfit pic over on my Instagram. I'll put that up on the screen now, and that is one of many different ways that I'm going to be styling this shirt. If you don't already, make sure you go and follow me on Instagram. It's at I'm Nath Griff. It's all linked in the description down below. But yeah, COS, as always, coming in with an absolute banger. All right guys, so moving on to favorite number 7, and to be honest, potentially my favorite out of the entire bunch, and that is this Doc Marten side bag slash satchel. I honestly absolutely love this bag. I've been wanting to pick this up for quite a while now, but it was literally sold out everywhere, and then lockdown happened. I looked online, it was completely sold out on their website. But I went into my local Doc Marten store literally like 2 days ago, and I managed to pick it up, and I'm gassed. So firstly, this is coming in at £69, and honestly guys, I think for what you're getting for your money, and the brand and the quality and the durability and all that, I think £69 for this is a super fair price. You know, you could go to Zara and pick a side bag up for, let's say, around £30, but I definitely recommend that you just hold off, save an extra £40 and opt for this one. The quality of these bags, honestly guys, they're gonna be a million times better than what you're gonna get from Zara. And obviously being Doc Marten, just like the boots, they're kind of made to be able to stand the daily wear and tear. And obviously this is real leather, and yeah, I just feel like you're getting so much more worth for your money than what you would if you were going to like Zara or H&M or Topman, wherever it may be. I feel like you're getting a lot more value for your money in this product, and it comes in multiple different sizes, and this one in particular is the 7-inch. So if you're on the market for a new side bag, something that is a little bit of a more statement piece rather than a plain and basic one, then this is the one for you. Like I said guys, everything from today's video will, as always, be linked in the description down below. So if there's anything from this video that you like the look of, then go to the description down below, because all the links to everything will be there. But that was my 7 favorite items that I've picked up over the course of the past 8 weeks or so. But definitely let me know in the comment section down below which out of those 7 pieces is your personal favorite, and also let me know what have you picked up that you really, really love. Before we head off, I'd really appreciate it if you hop on over to my Instagram and give me a follow over there. I'm super active every single day, and it kind of gives you guys the opportunity to kind of keep up with me on a daily basis, and also get some behind the scenes looks of me creating these videos. So if you're interested, it's linked in the description down below. Go and give me a follow. But that's it for this video guys. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, as always, please give it a big thumbs up, hit subscribe if you're new, drop a comment down below, go ahead and follow me on Instagram. It's basically a daily vlog, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.